In this tutorial, we're going to build a very simple WebFOCUS dashboard with a static filter. So let's get started. Okay, first step, we're going to create our first visualization. So it's going to be my filtered chart. It's a very basic sample. So I'm going to take the retail sample database, go for the retail one, create my visualization in here. So I'm going to build a report based on sales year. We're gonna look for the revenue per square meter, and that is a value. Doesn't make sense to sum up those values, so let's pick it up and change the aggregation to be the average. Okay, so we see a difference in here over time. Okay, so I want to filter that one actually based on a dimension. So let's go for the dimension. And let's go for the store. Let's go for the store business region. So I've got EMEA, North America, South America, and Oceania in there. So let's stick with those. Let's save it as revenue per square meter. Save it. Okay, got my element. So now I want to create a little dashboard with that one. So we're going to use the assemble visualization to create a page. So we're going to start actually with a blank page. And here's my revenue per square meter. So let's put it on my page. Let's position it in here. Actually, let's size it to the max of the screen. Add a little title in here. So of course, there's my filter, my store business region. So I'm going to put that one onto the report. So add it to page. So now it's using the values from the database. If I don't want to provide values in an automatic way, I could also select that control. And in here, I can set up the content of those elements, which is actually the binding in here. So by default, it's pulling values from that field in the database. I can change it in here to pull data from a different data source or from another report, or I can just set up a list in here so we can add up a value, which is going to be EMEA. So it's going to be region EMEA. Add one more, Oceania, region Oceania. Hope there's no typo in here, so let's go for North America, region, US and Canada. Okay, so that's it for now. So we can run it. And instead of pulling values from the database, I can now select what I selected in here. So we can go for region Oceania. So region EMEA, combine it and run it. So that way I can set up the content of those drop-down boxes the way I want to set them up in a very easy way.